What are we doing?
Working on the Silverado for a change. Need target battery soon. Oh, you got a big.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Well, I got a bigger battery though. All right.
So what are you doing to the F-150?
Put a new muffler on there, cherry bomb, glass pack, and change the ball joints up and lower.
Oh, did you get it?
Thing just pops out.
Want a cheater pipe?
Yeah, probably better. There we go.
Go ahead and pull it off there.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, this thing ain't been off obviously for a long time. Damn, dude. My pads are still that damn thick.
Huh?
I don't know what kind of brakes they get. My front brakes even work. See where I can get good push and get some leverage on. Man, look at that.
You want to break this other one loose while you under there?
Yeah. And the front diff is leaking too.
There it goes.
Feel ya, brother. Yeah, dude, look at the pads there. There's still plenty of pad left. I had the truck.
Almost look brand new.
Yeah, I almost had the truck for 4 years.
Go ahead and slide it off.
Oh, that came off easy on the Camaro.
Then we'll get an Allen wrench and take the sensor out. The ABS.
Well, that side was.
Yeah, what side?
Just dirt and shit.
One side standard, one side.
Yeah, I mean, that see goes on, that's
yeah,
okay.
I see that.
Okay, alright. I did like GM.
I think it's tight. You gotta pull it towards you.
Try to look. Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
I always get confused when you're looking at different angles.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I gotta figure out what that other side. That's terrible.
Need 2 different wrenches for one bolt. Oh.
Okay. Come on, man.
Hey. Think you're straining too hard.
18.
What kind of tools you got?
What kind, the damn bolt. What kind of bolt do you input on him?
There you go.
18 and then 16. Okay.
You just got to bang on it until it pops. You gotta hit the hell out of it.
What the hell is this, man?
It's a sledgehammer.
Alright.
There you go. There we go. Good now.
Yes, sir.
Now we gotta get the bottom. Alright, we broke the pickle fork trying to get it off there. We did have to take the hub off. But we gotta go to the store now. Go get a new pickle fork.
Yeah, so they're due. Got a lot of play in that. Because the new one, you can't even turn it, you can't hardly move by hand.
Yeah. It's like cow titties, ain't it? Just slam it until it hits the truck. No, you went far enough.
Back all the way out?
Yeah, take it off. It already pressed it out. Yeah, a wee bit more. You almost got a little bit more. I think that's it. Just sit down in there all the way. It's one down, 3 to go.
Oh, it's lunchtime. Watch your eye. Put him in a bad spot. Ow!
Oh, that's a bad spot.
Yeah. Look at that. That's terrible. That's right here. You can't even. Yeah. But it should be.
Nice and tight.
That's right.
Like you like it. We gotta go up. See if this fits that. It's gotta sit right around this collar. Yeah. A little bit more.
That's one's running easier than the top one. Maybe they're wrong.
Alright. That's it. One side done.
Nice time for lunch break here.
Yeah.
Have to get this back together. What do you reckon? Alrighty.
Gotta put the snap ring on.
Yeah, I almost had it too. There we go.
There it is. One side done. Now time to eat. You hungry?
Hell yeah, I'm hungry. All I can think of it.
Feeling lazy.
Uh,
Round 2. Yeah.
You're taller than me too. How tall are you?
5'11".
Bring it over this way as close as you can.
Hold on, toolbox.
Let's get this part right here around the calves. It won't be this big. Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Nail yeah.
Yeah. Give us some shade in there.
Spike's not in the shade.
Dirt.
Alright.
One thing for sure though.
You told us the other time.
She's like,
She ain't gonna look. Alright. Now the rotor. Set that in the sun where to get 10,000 degrees.
I'm saying this one's sludgy.
Sludgy. I gotta get the littler one. Finish it off with the littler one. Woo!
Yeet, brother.
Woo!
Woo!
There you go. That's a handy little tool.
Yeah, it is. Ain't far off.
There you go.
All done.
Oh, look, get the wheel back on it.
Sir.
Yeet. Ball joints are done. All right, got one more thing you're doing to the F-150. Putting the old glass pack on it.
Like Camaro. I think the Camaro has a Jags brand, I think. Alright, please fit. That burn off there, probably.
Alright. Got the cherry bomb on there. I guess we're done with all that. Guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.